to show you 3 ways you can burp a newborn. I know it sounds like, oh, this is simple. Oh, Madison, but I want to show you because sometimes it's eye-opening. Lots of times I see parents when they try to burp, they put her right here like this, and they do this. And they're trying to burp, but she's just not burping. So here's what I want to show you. Take her and put her little chest up and over your shoulder like this, and then cup your hand, make a C like this. You want to hear it. Hear that? That doesn't hurt her. But hear how you can hear that noise? That's what's going to get your burp out. Sometimes parents do this, and it just doesn't get a burp out. You want to cup it so it doesn't hurt her back, and just go like this. So that's one method, is up over the shoulder. Again, get her chest up and over your shoulder like that. Okay, here's another method. You're going to sit her on your lap like this. You're going to make a C with your hand. Put the C under her chin. It looks like you're choking her. I promise you're not. You're just resting her chin. Sorry. You're just resting her chin right here. And again, you're cupping your hand and burping her, just like that. And that's a good way. And then the final way is across your lap like this. So you're going to lay her across your lap, and you can even bring one higher than the other. Let's put her chest up here on this leg, put her bottom down here, and then you're just going to cup your hand and do this. You're supporting her body with her bottom, and you're just going back and forth like this. Just get that good burp out. Now, if you have a breastfed baby, they may not burp good for you, and that's pretty normal. Sometimes they don't take in a lot of air. Sometimes they do. You always want to try to burp, but don't be disappointed if you don't get a big burp out. Bottle-fed babies tend to take in a little bit more air and tend to be a little bit better burpers for you. So anyway, that's 3 ways to burp a newborn. Hope it was helpful. Have a great day.